I am a competitive ballroom dancer. My lifestyle was becoming impossible. I could not do what I do. It was affecting my day-to-day life, but more importantly, it was affecting my ballroom dancing. So I had stem cell about 9 months ago, and I have no pain anymore. I feel really good. I can live my life again, and I can do what I love to do. I feel amazing.
I hit my knee really hard one day, and instead of going away, it got so bad that I started limping. I don't want to be with this pain. So now I have my own stem cells and fresh stem cells in my knees. I am doing so well with my knees. I do yoga and I can do a lot. It was truly a fantastic outcome. I feel amazing.